Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are a returning subscriber, a new subscriber, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So today's video is going to be all about this Valentine's Day brunch. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys are enjoying your day with your loved ones. And yes, I'm festive. I have on my red lip. I have on my Valentine's Day apron and I'm ready to get cooking. So let's get into this video. First, we're going to start off by rinsing all of our produce and things that we're going to use. My good old friend vinegar. I use this to clean my chicken as a vegetable wash as well. And we're going to wash our potatoes. Then I'm going to roughly chop my onion, and I'm using about a half an onion to do so for this recipe. And then I'm going to dice the potatoes because I want them to cook evenly. And I'm just going to take, I could have used one potato, but I actually had two, so I ended up only using one for the recipe. So what I've done is I took my chopped potatoes and some onion and I put it in my pan. I put it in my pan with some seasoning, just some salt and some Lowry's all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of avocado oil. So just trying to glaze my pan a little bit, get that onion off at the bottom. So I also use a little bit of water, again, just to help deglaze my pan. And then I just let that cook and let the potatoes finish and soften. Then I go in, I end up using in total 6 eggs, but I started off with 5. And I just added some pepper and sea salt to them. I like to take the membrane out. It's just, you know, for my peace of mind. So that's what you see me doing here. And I'm adding my pepper and my sea salt. And then I'm just going to stir them as if I'm preparing to scramble. Next, I'm going to go in with some olive oil spray, and I'm going to spray my pan. I did use steak, but you can use sausage or bacon, whatever meat of your choice. And I cooked that off camera. And then I put my egg on top. And then this is when I decided I needed some more egg because, you know, I had more fillings. Or more ingredients, I should say. So I added one more egg. I also added some cheese and some red pepper. It was really, really delicious. But what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking my time to make sure that egg is really incorporated throughout the whole dish, and it's, you know, the cheese is incorporated as well because we want it to bake up nicely. Now, here for the fun part, we're going to make a strawberry cream cheese topping. So I used about 1/4 of the cream cheese. Then I added 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I chopped up my strawberries. I only used 2, but I chopped them up pretty small, so I diced them in essence. And then I used my hand mixer, but I wasn't in frame, so I just didn't even include that clip. And I just took my time, you know, it was at room temperature, and then I mixed the strawberries inside of that cream cheese, and oh, it just smelled so good. Right here, I'm just using some saran wrap, and I'm wrapping it all just to form a ball, so it'll be a pretty presentation so I can put it in my butter dish. So that's what you see me doing here. And then I'm going to set this in the refrigerator for a few minutes so that it can, you know, take shape and have some time to cool down. Now I'm doing my favorite part. I'm making my heart-shaped waffles. I really, really love this little machine. They have them on Amazon. They have them at Walmart. They have them at Target. Like they sell them everywhere. And now even on Amazon, they have like the multiple ones, which will be my next investment because, you know, it's time consuming making one at a time. So if you're trying to make, you know, a couple. So this is the presentation. I did bake my eggs in the oven on 350 for about a half an hour, and that's how it turned out. I used a little bit of powdered sugar and some strawberries just for topping for the waffles for hubby and I, and then I was ready. I thought it turned out so cute and so just like festive, just really in the mood for Valentine's Day. And you know, like we always do like a dinner or something, so I wanted to switch it up. Like I said, it's an egg bake. It turned out so delicious. It's nice and filling. You could even just have this on its own, but I wanted to make the waffles to go with it to, you know, bring the festivities for the holidays. So here I am, and I'm making some chocolate covered strawberries. Okay, you guys, like it's a little bit struggle-ish, but they were delicious. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm making my festive drink. So I'm using some lemon, and then I, you know, went around my rim, and then I'm taking some sugar and I'm sugaring the rim of my glass. I do have these cute little ice molds, and they say little Valentine's Day quotes, but I decided to use these other ones, and they have like a bigger heart and a small heart, and that's what I use. So I started by placing the smaller heart inside the glass, and then I cut up my strawberries. I didn't want them super small. I wanted you to be able to see them in the glass. And then I used this chocolate gold powder. It doesn't really taste like anything, but it just adds that extra oomph to your drink. And again, because this is a mocktail, I didn't really want to add alcohol or anything. I wanted it to be cute and festive, so I added a bit of that in there. And then I decided to go ahead and add my other ice cube, which is the bigger heart, and it was just looking so festive already for Valentine's Day. I decided to add in another strawberry and some more of that chocolate gold powder. And then I used a cranberry ginger ale. I know it's like you're having strawberries and you're using cranberry, but I used a cranberry ginger ale just so it could give it that fizz. And, you know, that's like one of my favorites. So I added that in there, and it just, it gave me all the vibes. It gave me all the, you know, the look that I was going for this particular drink. And I think it turned out so well. And I was just adding more and more because I wanted to fill it up so that, you know, I could really get the shot. And here it is. It is beautiful. The gold, the hearts, the strawberries, the sugar on the rim. I kind of wish I would have added, you know, some strawberries on the side for just garnish, just to make it extra pretty, but never mind all of that. I think it still turned out really cute. It still turned out really cute, and it has the gold. It was giving me all the vibes. So yes, that's it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and enjoying Valentine's Day with me. I hope you're having a good one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My new videos go live on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I can't wait to have you a part of the family. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!